Hi. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, girl. Tickle, 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 tickle. Is that funny? Mommy funny? That's my finger. You got teeth? I don't want my finger in there now. Ah. You're a silly girl. You're a silly girl. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Hi. Side.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lily.
Okay, scooch over. Can you stand on the side over here? Maybe. Here. Beep, beep. There you go. That's good, Lizzie.
Lily.
Okay, Emily, you ready for some cereal?
Cereal.
What do you think, Emily? What do you think? Is it good for her? Does she have some? Does she like to eat?
Eat.
That almost looks like she doesn't like to eat, but I think she's enjoying it. You think she's having fun? There goes the thumb. Lizzie. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Cereal.
Yes, it's cereal. Is it time for cereal? Is that why you took your thumb out? Open.
A mouth.
Her mouth.
I.
Aw, she's saying hi. That's good.
Eat.
Is that good?
Lizzie, no. No.
Lizzie, stop. Okay, stop doing that.
Yeah, now you got your hands all icky, Lizzie.
That's what happens, huh? No. Stop. Hands down. Put your hands down. Thank you. Okay, ready for more? Stop. Hands down, honey. Hands down. Down at your side. There you go. Thank you.
Lily.
More?
Lily.
Lizzie, hands down. Please.
Cereal.
It's cereal. I know. She's enjoying it. This is rice cereal mixed in with milk. Yeah? Mmm. Say hi, Daddy. Cheese. Is Emily saying cheese? Yum, yum. Did she pull your hair? Can you push on her belly a little bit again, Lizzie? Make her tummy. Make her laugh. Can you make her laugh? How'd you make her laugh before? Make her laugh. Cheese. Can you make her laugh? Ha 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 ha. Make her say that. She's reaching for you. Can you make her laugh? Can you make Emily go ha 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 ha?
Lily.
She likes it when you make her laugh. Peekaboo. I see you. Stay right there, okay?
Fifi.
Uh-huh.
Easy. Easy. Lily.
No, that's Lizzie. Where's Emily? Where did Emily go? Where'd she go? Is she on the floor? Is she waiting for you to come back and play? Go play with Emily. Go play.
No.
No.
And then Lily.
Yeah, go play with Emily. Go play with her. Lizzie, go play with Emily. There she is, see? Peekaboo.
Lily.
It's Emily.
Lily.
Emily. Go play with her. Can you go play and give her a little hug? She'd like a hug. We'll give her a hug.
Oh.
Good job.
And a cat.
Can you give her another hug, honey? Give her another hug.
Oh. Oh.
Very nice.
A cat.
Just put it on her tummy, okay? Or her feet. She probably won't leave it on her feet very long, but you can try. There, thank you. There's Emily. Hi. Hi, Emily. Hi. Say peekaboo, I see you.
Lily.
She likes to grab her feet now, doesn't she? It's fun.
Lily. Stop. Mommy, you were there.
Thank you. You covered her up. That was nice.
It is.
There she is.
Lily.
Okay, we'll give her a hug. She'd like another hug.
No.
No. Aww. What? Can you give her a hug now? You're not giving her a hug. Okay, Lizzie, up. Come on, up. Get up. Don't lay on her legs.
Just
give her a hug. Just give her a little hug, honey. Give her a little hug. Give her a hug. That was nice. Thank you. Thank you. It's Lizzie, yeah. Say hi. Say, I'm 5. Can you say, I'm 5? How old are you?
And you.
No, don't ask them how old they are. How old are you? Are you 5? Can you say 5?
Wow.
Yes, you are 5. Yay! Can you hold up 5? Hold up 5. Say, I'm 5.
Wow.
I'm 5. Good job. Can you say goodbye? You saying a little louder? Bye. 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 You silly girl.
Ow.
Up. You're down. You're down. Can you sit up? Hi, Emily. You gonna bounce for us? Yeah. Lizzie's watching. Whee! Look at you go. Whee! Lizzie, honey, sit back. Sit back so she can jump. Lizzie. Lizzie, please. I got you on tape. Peekaboo. You're being silly. You need to back up, please. Come on. Honey, she can't bounce very well when you're like that. Uh-oh is right. Back up, please. Hi, Emily girl. Emily. 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 You're really liking that thing, huh? Look, Emily. Hi. You turn around so we can see you? There you are. Hi. Hi. Are you bouncing? This is your jumper. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Hi. Can you bounce? Jump up and down? Hi, Emily. Are you 5 months old? You're 5. 5.5 months old, aren't you? A big girl with big teeth. You got 2 teeth? Yeah. Hi. Peek. Peekaboo. Wow, what a big jump that was. Big jump.
Look.
Make sure they're in focus if you're
La
going to.
la 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 la.
You want a sweet potato? You ready for sweet potatoes? They're orange.
Hello.
Well, that wasn't so bad, was it? You like sweet potatoes? Mm. Oh well. Okay, good. Is that good?
No.
Kind of different. But
I know.
you're doing okay with that.
And what you eating, Lizzie?
No.
What are you eating?
What do you have? What do you have? What's that?
Oh, it's pizza. Uh-oh! Lizzie, can you get Emily's toy for her? Lizzie.
Pick up Emily's toy.
Thank you. Uh-oh! Pick it up, Lizzie. Thank you.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Hey! Hey! Uh-oh! Can you pick up her toy for her, Lizzie? Pick up her toy. Uh-oh! You're done playing with that game? Yeah, you played uh-oh.
Hi, Emily. You gonna get up and on your knees again? Do some rocking? Can you rock? Get up on your knees. Oh, she's gonna do the roll trick. She's gonna roll around? Maybe not. Let's see what she's gonna do. Hi, Emily girl. You're gonna roll around, huh? You're gonna dump all those toys on your body. Just a minute, honey. Oh, she's up. We gotta record it. She's up on her knees. She was. There she goes again. She's rocking back and forth. She's almost ready to crawl, and she just turned 6 months old. Yikes. She's going to be crawling by the end of the week, I think. That's kind of scary for Mommy and Daddy. Yes, Emily's playing with her toys. She tipped the basket over so she could get them all out, huh? Make sure she gets a turn. Lizzie, sit up, honey. Please sit up. Lizzie, sit up. Thank you. Lizzie girl. Say cheese. Lizzie, look at Mommy and say cheese. Okay. Oh, you're being a good big sister, aren't you, Lizzie? You're being a good big sister who's tired. Don't push, honey. Lizzie. Lizzie! No, ma'am. Lizzie. Lizzie, come here, please. Come here. You come sit right here. Thank you. Look, she's eating a book. She says, yum, yum. She likes to read. I mean, eat.
Really?
Emily. Emily. Don't touch. Don't touch the screen, okay? There, she's up on her knees again. Whoops. And down. Okay. Emily. Emily, hi. Yeah. You're getting big for 6 months old, aren't you? Are you getting big? You're a big girl. Are you chewing on a flower? Are you? You're funny. Funny girl. You sit up so nice now, don't you? Yeah. Whoa. No, you don't want to eat that, huh? Oh, you do. You do want to eat your flower. No? You can't decide, huh? Hi. You're so happy today. I like to see my happy girl. Whoops. You're okay. You can sit back up. You can sit back up, girl. Hey. See? See? You got back up. You did. You did it. Hi, you did it. I think your leg is stuck. Yeah. Hi. Oh, what a pretty smile. What a gorgeous smile. Whoa. Crash. But it's okay, right? Because you know how to sit back up. And you're only 6 months old. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, you can do it. You can do it. Sit back up. Oh, it's tough learning new things. Whoa. Upside down. Upside down. Hi. There you go. You did it. Yay, Emily. Yay. Here's your toy. There's your toy. Yay. Oh, yay. You got the horsey. You got the horsey. Hi. Are you getting tired? Somebody's getting sleepy. No more laughing out of you, huh? Get you a toy? No, not for long. Hi, are you waving? Oh, you're spitting up too. Okay. What is with that tongue? You think that's cute. I think it's kind of cute too. Hi. Ah. Making all kinds of noises, huh? Purple cup. Uh-oh. Yum, yum. Yeah? Happy sounds, huh? Happy girl? Uh-oh, now you threw it. Now what? Can you reach it? Oh, you found a blanket instead. Oh no! You pushed it away. Oh. Somebody's getting sleepy. Hi, you got your thumb? Is that your thumb? Oh, it's your whole fist. Let's see what you're gonna do now, huh? You gonna rock? Can you rock for us? Get up and rock. Oh, it's okay. You can sit up. You can do it. Hey. 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 You gonna drink some water? Yeah, out of your cup? There you go. Oh, 2 hands is better. That's right. Good job, Emily. Whoopsie. That is just water. There's nothing sour about it. What was that? Try again. You want to try again? Ah, yay. Or you can just throw it on the floor, huh? You're good at that game too. You're happy. You're happy. You're only 6 months old and you can drink out of that cup. That's pretty good. Oh, gone. Where did it go? Uh-oh. Where did it go? Where's your cup? Is it under your chair? Oh, there it is. Happy girl. Happy girl. What are you looking at? You see Mommy? What are you doing? What are you doing so quiet? Oh, big teeth. You got 2 teeth coming. Yay! Get you on your fingers? Ouch. Oh! Ouch! Hi, Emily. Hi. Got all your toys in the basket. Where'd they go? Where'd they go, Emily? Hi, Emily. Ew. You got mommy's foot? Let me take my sock off. I'd rather you play with my feet. Hi. Whoops. Little spit up. A little bit of spit up. What happened, Lizzie? Did you push Emily? Did you push her? That wasn't nice. Emily, hi. Yeah. Cheese.
Get the camera out.
I am trying to see if Emily will stand on her tippy toes for us. But not when the camera's on. That's evidence. Whoa. Careful, Lizzie. She's right there. No. Hi. You're not going to do it with the camera on, are you, Emily? Oh, there we go. We did it. Hey, you did it. You did it. Hey, Lizzie, say cheese. Hey, Lizzie, say cheese. Mickey. No, say cheese. Can you smile? Oh, thank you. Oh, we know you can smile, girl. Give her a little hug, Lizzie, and that's it. Very nice. Very nice. Aww. Hey, Emily. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Somebody found some entertainment. Is that fun? Except you're scooting the wrong way, Emily. Lizzie, say hi. Emily. Hey. Hey. Emily. Was that fun? Oh, there you go, up on your tippy toes. Stretch. Can you make him talk, Lizzie? Can Donald talk to Daisy? You say cheese? Oh. Oh, it's Donald giving you a hug. That's nice. Can Daisy give you a hug? Where's Daisy? Did Daisy give you a hug? Hey, no sucking your thumb. Uh-huh. Can Daisy and Donald hug each other? Can they give a hug to each other? Thumb out, girl. Lizzie. Hey. Hey. Hey! Give me that thumb. Can I have your thumb? Can Donald give Daisy a hug? No? Daisy doesn't want to give a hug to Donald? What's that? A sticker. Did you get that sticker at school? Yeah? Lizzie. Hey, give me that thumb. I gotcha. Cheese.
Mama.
I know, you like to watch Elmo.
Just feel like crawling, huh? And carrying your toys?
Hi, Emily. Emily has decided to crawl on us, and she's only 7 months old. Lizzie, sit down, honey. Oh, Lizzie's crawling good. Look at that. Look at that, Lizzie. You're fast. Emily, you can do it. You can do it too. Emily. Come here, girl. What? Come here. You can do it. You can do it, see? You're making progress. Look at you crawling. Yay. Did you find the clean clothes basket? You're going to take them all out? Aww. Yay, Emily, you did it! Yay! Emily, Emily, where are you going? Hey, you're supposed to come this way. Emily, come here. Where did she go? There she is. Come on, girls. Hi. Oh, Emily's going the other way again. Where'd she go? Emily, come on, girl. There we go. Come on, honey. I know. We got to get you down for a nap, huh? Because you're tired. Emily, come here. Come here. Come on, sugar. There's Lizzie. Whoops. We got bumped by Lizzie, didn't we? Hi. Emily, come here, girl. Come here. You can do it. You can do it. Is your leg stuck? Is your leg stuck? Lizzie, watch out. Watch out so we can see. Aww. Lizzie, can you give her a kiss? Aww. Very nice. Hi. What's wrong, Emily? What's wrong? You were just cruising. You were just cruising. There you go. Hi. Hi. There's Lizzie.
And Donald.
And Donald. Yes, you have Donald with you. Can you say hi to the camera? Cheese? Is that what you said? Yeah, that's pretty funny, isn't it, Emily? Oh, I think somebody's sleepy. Hi. She likes the thumb in her hand. Were you sharing, Donald? That was very nice, Lizzie. Yeah.
It's Donald. It's Donald.
It is, yeah.
Donald.
I know.
It's Donald.
Can you give Donald a hug? Yep, give the other Donald a hug. Very nice, Lizzie. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for giving it back to her. She liked that. That's for Lizzie. Yeah, in the basket. No, Lizzie. No, honey. Lizzie. Yes, that's Donald. Give him a big hug. Where's the other Donald? Do you remember where you put it? Where'd you put it? Where did it go? You find it?
It's on Donald.
Oh, very nice of you to share, Lizzie. Thank you. It's Donald Duck. Oh, she likes that blanket. Please don't take it from her. Give it to her, please. No, honey. Lizzie, stop. Lizzie, stop. Thank you. Can you give Emily a little kiss? Give her a kiss. Oh, you gave Donald a kiss? That was nice. And Donald gives her a kiss. Very nice. Okay. And that Donald. Oh, we got 2 tired girls. Look at that. Peekaboo. Yeah. Bye. Were you saying bye-bye, Papa? Abba? Lizzie. Hi, Emily. Are you trying to get some pups? Can you reach them? Don't eat the box, Emily. That's our table. That's our table. Uh-oh. What happened? Hey. Em. There you go. Yay, you got him. I guess we should give you a few now. That was a lot of work for that, huh? Oh, look at that, Emily. Here, I'll take that. Emily, you gonna eat them? Better hurry before Joey does.
Oh.
Look at that. You got like your own little personal table. Oh, yum. Yeah, just get them all in there.
Doesn't Mommy feed you? You eat them.
Oh. Joey! Joey! You're eating her snack. That wasn't very nice.
Joey, no.
Don't think Emily knows what to do with that. Are you giving him some, Emily? Is that good? There's more in the box.